Hi, this is Mehdi. I work at Press Trading in Calling as a service engineer, and welcome to my workshop. Here in my workshop, every day begins with a commitment to excellence in electronic repairs. Whether it's a lens drive for ventilation system, a servo controller for a CNC machine, lens drive for production line, or a customized Baumüller drive for printing machine. With over 25 years experience in printing and packaging industry, I have honed my skills on electronic repairs on various machines like Heidelberg, Komori, MBO, Stahl, Polar, and among the others. I also do some repairings on all electronic modules for peripherals like Technotrans, Baldwin, ISD, AMS. My goal is to offer quick and affordable solutions for our clients. If you have a breakdown on your machinery, do not hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you. Currently, I'm working on a TDK power supply for AMS LED UV dryer. Previously, clients had to send these units to the manufacturer in the US, which was quite costly and time-consuming. Now, we can repair these units efficiently in Denmark. Additionally, I have one refurbished unit that can be shipped immediately to you in case of any breakdowns on your AMS system. I will shortly come back with my daily task. Remember to repair, not waste. You can find us at www.presstrading.dk.